this video, I will discuss chapter number 9, sources and effects of heat energy, and the topic here will be fire alarm. It is given here on page 130 in your book. So, firstly, let's see the topic from the book. This is your book, class 8 book, and your physics section starts from the lesson force and pressure, chapter number 7, that we have already discussed some of the topics with you. And we will come towards the lesson sources and effects of heat energy. And the topic that I am going to discuss with you is fire alarm. It is here on page 130. So let's discuss the topic in detail and then I will return back with some questions. Now, what is the purpose of fire alarm? Practically, students, in everyday life, we see that mostly the buildings use this fire alarm to prevent any sort of explosion or fire. Here, buildings means like different shopping malls, restaurants, schools, offices, uh, hotels, hostels, all of them, they need certain preventive measures to have in case a fire or an explosion erupts. So, I will start with the working of fire alarm and we will come towards the fire alarm circuit that is shown here in this diagram. So, I will discuss the working of fire alarm with you now. And in earlier classes, students, we have discussed the use of bimetallic strip and how it is an important part or important requirement in case when thermal expansion has to take place. Now, students, what happens in this fire alarm when in case fire breaks out? This bimetallic strip is made up of two different metals, and if in case fire erupts or there is an explosion, this bimetallic strip is going to sense the heat from the surrounding, and it becomes hot. Once this bimetallic strip becomes hot or gets hot, it is going to bend. As you can see here, it is in straight position right now, but when it gets hot, it is going to bend. It is going to bend like this. Once it is going to bend, then it touches the contact point of the battery. Now, this contact point in this circuit, students, you see, is basically connected with the battery. And battery in itself in this circuit is shown with the positive and the negative terminal. Now, what happens when this bimetallic strip touches or comes in contact point of the battery? It is going to it is going to complete the whole circuit, and the bell will start ringing. Once the bell starts ringing, it is going to warn the people in the surrounding about the fire or any sort of explosion. Now, after this whole circuit, we will come towards the points related to the working of fire alarm. In case fire breaks out, the bimetallic strip gets hot. As I already told you here, bimetallic strip gets hot and it is going to bend and bends to touch the contact point of the battery. Here you see, students, battery, once it touches the contact point of the battery in itself is made up of the positive and the negative terminal. Now, in this way, the circuit is completed and the bell that is connected in the fire alarm circuit will begin to ring and warn of the fire. So, when the whole circuit is completed, it is going to ring the bell and the bell is going to warn the people about the fire alarm. So, this is how the fire alarm operates and works. Now, students, I hope that you understood the topic. So, after the discussion of the topic, you will mark some long questions that are on page 196. So, you will see here from the book, firstly, page 196, this section 9.3, the descriptive questions. There are some questions that I have written and I have marked for you. So, question number 1, what is meant by thermal expansion? Explain. Expansion of solids with the help of diagram and experiments. So answer is on page 124 till page 126. Students, it is very important that you mark your answers properly from your notes, all kinds of material object, and you have to mark it till activity 9.3. So in the activity, the diagram is also required. So draw the diagram on the blank page and the note should be written with proper headings on the line page of your copy. Then demonstrate how bimetallic strip works in a thermostat. It is the previous topic that I did with you, page 129 to page 130. And application of bimetallic strip till switched on. And students write the working of electric iron here. And obviously you will draw the diagram properly labeled on the blank page. Third question is explain the expansion of liquids with the help of experiment. Answer is on page 126 to 127 and activity 9.3 along with the diagram. Next question. Describe a simple experiment to study the thermal expansion of gases, that is on page 127 till page 129. And the answer will start from like solids and liquid and you have to mark it till glass tube. And student, as all these questions are related with the experiments and activities, so you have to draw the diagram on the blank page along with the labeling. The note will be written on the line page and give proper headings for each of the separate paragraphs. Thank you.